Welcome to Baz Travels. If you value these 8K immersive tours, please subscribe and like the video. It only takes a few seconds. Your support is the only way I can keep this channel going and continue bringing you these high quality experiences. Thank you for being here. Located within the vibrant atmosphere of the Caloosa Sound Amphitheater, the Uncommon Friends statue serves as a profound and lasting tribute to the unique personal bond between three of history's greatest minds: Thomas Edison, Henry Ford, and Harvey Firestone. While these men are globally recognized for their revolutionary contributions to the field of electricity, automotive manufacturing, and the rubber industry, this bronze sculpture focuses on something far more intimate. It depicts the three legends gathered casually around the flickering campfire, emphasizing their deep personal friendships and mutual respect over their professional titles and massive corporate achievements. The sculpture is based on the book Uncommon Friends by James Newton, who was a close associate of all three men and witnessed their interactions firsthand. The piece captures the specific spirit of innovation and collaboration that defined Fort Myers in the early 20th century. These three individuals didn't just choose the winter in southwest Florida for the weather. They used this riverside landscape as a sanctuary where they could brainstorm, relax, and share radical ideas that eventually changed the course of the modern world. It is said that some of the most significant breakthroughs were discussed not in laboratories, but during these simple camping trips in the Florida wilderness. The setting of the statue within the amphitheater grounds is highly symbolic. By placing its monument in a space designed for music, performance, and public gathering, the city reinforces the sense of community that these men helped foster. The amphitheater itself represents the modern evolution of the riverfront, serving as a hub for culture and celebration, while the statue anchors that space in a specific historic narrative. It reminds us that behind the light bulbs, the assembly lines, and the tires were real people who valued the simple, restorative acts of conservation and connection by the river. The Uncommon Friends have become a permanent fixture in the city's identity, symbolizing a golden age when Fort Myers was effectively the epicenter of global creative thought. As you look at the sculpture, you're reminded that progress is often bound out of friendship and the free exchange of ideas in a peaceful setting. For Baz Travels, this site serves as the perfect conclusion to the story of the riverfront, a place where the legacy of the past and the energy of the present meet. It stands as a testament to the fact that even the most famous figures in history needed a place like Fort Myers to find inspiration, quiet, and the company of good friends.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.